Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SMKid. This is my third tutorial for time saving command. With help of this command we can improve our productivity in drafting. So let's start. Here I write commands which we will discuss today. It is 80 for area in table. Another one, area outside file if you want to create. T circle, uppercase and lowercase. Then DLI for dimension and patch special. So we will start with the first one, 80 for area and table. Suppose we have this layout and we want to make a table for the area for each one separate. So actually it is a LISP file, Lisp file. I uploaded here for this area and table. Just all right here you can see the command. It is AT. So I'll type AT, enter. From where you want to start, I will just start with the one, enter. Click location where you want to start the table or to create the table. So just click it here nearby, and then we will go area. On which area we will click now, from that boundary they will calculate the area. So I'll first click here, then continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on depending on your layout. Just enter at the last. So you can see here it's create a table with the area. Instead of calculating separate area one by one and then typing, so it will consume much time from you. Instead of that, you can directly just put 80 and do the same as I done here. So it will give you the full area in the table. Suppose I want to make the same table outside file. So what I write here, if suppose I need a separate file for area, so I'll type AF, enter. Again from where we start, I'll start with the one, and now you need to name the file. So I'll just write here is area, and the folder also you need to see it, save. Then again I'll go with the same here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and enter. So you can see same area is coming in another notepad. You can easily copy this one and use it as per your requirement. So this is the second command which we can save much time instead of taking dimension from AutoCAD and typing in another location. So it is very easy and useful command. We'll close this. Now TCAS, but I'll delete first this command, this extra line. Now we don't need these things. And the table also I will delete. Now another command is for T circle. T circle is very useful command. I have this in this plot. I have so much text are here. Instead of I want to make it as a circle or rectangle for that. So instead of making separate circle for each one like this and then do adjustment, it will be take so much time from me. So instead of that, there is a command called T circle. You can just see it here, T circle. Select the text, enter, offset around the text how much I put it, 0.5, enter. Now here is the circle. Now we have three options here, all three we will explore now, but we'll start with the circle. Variable, so you can see directly coming circle around the text. You can do multiple also. Again I'll repeat the same command. T circle, select object. So I will select it like this. Enter, offset the same, circle, variant, and all three coming together. If you want another one, and I will go with another option. Again, T circle, select object, enter, offset the same. I need slots, so just click on the slots, enter. You can see all's coming directly, automatically slots are coming around the text. The last one, again just I press space command to repeat the same command. I'll select this text, enter, offset is the same. Now I need rectangles, so click on rectangles, variant, enter. So it's very easy to add this circle or slots or this circle around your text. Okay, now we'll go to next command. Okay, uppercase and lowercase. If you want to change the your alphabet from lowercase to upper or from upper to lower or as a uh, title, so we have command. There is select on this, Control A, Shift, Control Shift and L. L for lowercase, and again Control Shift U. U for uppercase. So easily you can do with just two clicks. If you want lowercase, just Shift Control L. If you want uppercase, Shift Control U. So this is very easily we can change the uppercase to lower or from lowercase to upper. Also, the same we can do from command here in Express Tools. Click here on Modify and change the case. Now you need upper, lower, title. So this is up. I'll go with the lower case here now. I'll click it. You see the case is changed. Or here I will just try another one. Modify. I will go with the title. So you will see only the first word is capital, other is lowercase. So you can modify as per your requirement. It is a very useful command, but easily we can do like this. Control A, Control Shift L for lowercase, Control Shift U for uppercase. Okay. Now we'll go with the next one. Okay, DLI and DCO. DLI for DLI is for dimension. Suppose I want to make dimension from here to here, and again click it like this. So I want, if I need the same all these 3 4, so I need to repeat the same command. But instead of that, what I will do here, for example, again I need to press space, and also you can see I need to go specifically for this to bring it on the same line. So instead of that, what we will do, D L I, enter, click, second click, and directly go D C O to come here, dim continue. So enter this, then you can see directly easily with the mouse coming here, click on this, here, here, and so much, how much you have your lines or rooms or whatever you have in your drafting, you can go with the same. So this is the to create a dimension on easy way without any interference. The last one is paste special. For example, I write the same command here in Word file. If I have something in Word and I will just click on this Control C and I want to Instead of typing here, I will need to paste it here. So if I'm going to directly Control V as a paste, so you can see it's coming like a block, which is not a AutoCAD property. So instead of that, we will write here, we will type paste. It's coming special by itself. Paste SPEC, paste special. Enter. And here how you want. If you click here, picture and enhanced meta file, but most properly, if you need as an AutoCAD word that, so what you have to do, click on AutoCAD entity, click OK, and where you want to keep it, just keep it here. So you see it is coming like you type the same one in AutoCAD. Even also you can edit the same. So that is very useful command also for the beginners. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share with your friends and follow me for more AutoCAD tutorials. Thank you.